In a previous time, in that chapter HCF and LCM, we will be discussed about how we can find the prime factor of the given any composite number. According to that composite number of the prime factor of the any composite number, we will be find out the HCF or the LCM of the given two numbers. How we can find out the LCM or the HCF of the given two numbers? By using prime factor method. And that is why today we will be start the next practice set of the chapter HCF and the LCM, the practice set number 12. In that practice set number, the first question is given, find the HCF. Find the HCF. So how we can find the HCF of the given two numbers? So the first example is the 25 and 40. There are the two numbers are given. The first number is the 25 and the second number is the 40. We have find out the HCF of the given two numbers. How we can find out the HCF of the given two numbers? By using the prime factor method. Prime factor method, that means we will be get the prime factor of the 25 and the prime factor of the 40. And according to that prime factor, we are find out the HCF of the given two numbers. So, first of all, we have find out the prime factor of the 25. 25 is the composite number. So, which number is get completely divided to the prime? 25 is the smallest prime number. 5 is that smallest prime number. Is get completely divided the 25, and we get the answer is the 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is the 25. That means it is the prime factor of the 25. Next, the 40. We will be find out the prime factor of the 40 by using the prime factor method. So, in that this 40 is get completely divided, the smallest prime number is the 2. And when we have divided the 40 by 2 the 2, we get the answer is the 20. And therefore, we have converted that 40 in a two number product form is the 2 into 20. So, that 20 are again divided because of 20 is a composite number and they are again divided by to the 2 and we get the answer is the 10 and we have write down that 20 in a two number product form is a 2 into 10. So that 10 are again divided, again converted in a prime number product form and they are again divided by to the 2. We get the answer is the 5. And that is why that 10 are again split up in a two number product form is a 2 into 5. We get the product of the prime product of the 40 is a 2, 2, 2, 5. Then we just only concentrate the prime factor of the 25 and the prime factor of the 40. Which number or which factor is the common? We have underlined it. 5. Is only the one number is the common and that common number is the HCF of the 25 and the 40. 5 is the common. Therefore, HCF of 25 and 40 is 5. Therefore, HCF of 25 and 14 is a 5. In this way, we have found out the HCF of the any two composite numbers. We get the one more example. The one more example. (40, 60 and 75). There are the three numbers are given and we have found out the HCF of that three number. We follow the same procedure. That means we get the prime factor of the 40, 60 and 75. In that prime factor, which one is the common one? If the common one is only the one, then we guess only that number is a HCF, and the common number is a more than one, then the product of that on number is the HCF of the given numbers. So first of all, we have get the prime factor of the 40. The prime factor of the 40 are get completely divided by to the 2, and we get the answer is the 20. 20 into 2 is the 40. Then after that 20 are again divided by to the 2, and when we have divided the 20 by to the 2, we get the answer is the 10. Then again the 10 are again divided by to the 2, and when that 10 are again divided by to the 2, we get the answer is the 5. So the factor of the 40 is a 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Then the next is the 60. The prime factor of the 60. 60 are get completely divided by to the 2. We get the answer is the 30. That 30 are again divided by to the 2. We get the answer is the 15. That 15 are again divided by to the 3. We get the answer is the 5. So therefore, the prime factor of the 60 is a 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. And the last one is the 75. 75 are divided by to the 3. And when that 75 are divided by to the 3, we get the answer is the 25. That 25 are again divided by to the 5. And when we have divided the 25 by to the 5, we get the answer is the 5. So therefore, the prime factor of the 75 is the 3 into 5 into 5. So the prime factor of the 40 is a 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Prime factor of the 60 is a 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. And the prime factor of the 75 is a 3 into 5 into 5. Then underline the each and every common number or the common factor of the every 3 prime factors. So the 5 is the common. No any single number are get common in the whole factors, and therefore we can write down again 5 is the common. So therefore HCF of 40, 60, 75 is 5. Again, the HCF of 40, 60 and 75 is 5. The next example. (105) and 154. We get the HCF of the 105 and the 154. So we have get the prime factor of the 105. So that 105 are divided first by to the 3. When we have divided the 105 by to the 3, we get the answer is the 35. We get the answer is the 35. That 35 are again divided by to the 5, and when that 35 are again divided by to the 5, we get the answer is the 7. So the prime factor of the 105 is the 3 into 5 into 7. The prime factor of the 105 is the 3 into 5 into 7. Then the prime factor of the 154. 154 are get divided first by to the 2. When we have divided the 54 by to the 2, we get the answer is the 77. We get the answer is the 77. Then after then, the prime factor is 77 are again divided by to the 7. We get the answer is the 11. 2 into 7 into 11. So the prime factor is the 154 is the 2 into 7 into 11. So we get the prime factor of the 105 and the prime factor is the 154. Which prime factor is the common to underline it? 7 is only one. The prime factor is the common, and therefore 7 is the common, and we can write down. Therefore, the HCF of 105 and 154 is 7. The HCF of 105 and 154 is the 7. So in this way, we have find out the HCF of the given two composite number. We get another example. The another example is the 16 and the 27. We get the prime factor of the 16. That 16 are get completely divided by to the 2. And when we have divided the 16 by to the 2, we get the answer is the 8. 8 are again divided by to the 2. And when we have divided that 8 by to the 2, we get the answer is the 4. When we have divided the 4 by to the 2, we get the answer is the 2. So therefore, the prime factor of the 16 is a 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now, the prime factor of the 27. 27 are never divided by to the 2. 27 are divided by to the 3. And when we have divided the 27 by to the 3, we get the answer is the 9. Then that 9 are again divided by to the 3, we get the answer is the 3. So therefore, the prime factor of the 27 is the 3 into 3 into 3. Then observe carefully which one is the common one and then underline it. But in that example, the prime factor of the 16 is a 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And the prime factor of the 27 is a 3 into 3 into 3. No any one is a common factor of the given two prime factors. So, how we can find out the HCF of that numbers? Never. If no any common factor are given, so we can find out the HCF of that number is the 1. So, we can write down no any common factor. Therefore, HCF of 16 and 27 is 1. The HCF of 16 and 27 is the 1. So in this way, we have easily find out the HCF of the any one number. If the common one is again given, so that common one is the HCF, and if no any common factor are given, so the HCF is the 1. We get the one more example. The one more example. So one more example is 42, 45 and the 48. 42, 45 and 48. So the prime factor of the 42. The prime factor of the 42 is that 2 into 21. So the 42 are get completely divided by to the 2. We get the answer is the 21. So that 21 are again divided by to the 3. We get the answer is the 7. So 2 into 3 into 7. The next one is the 45. Next one is the 45. That 45 are get divided by to the 3. The answer is the 3 into 15. That 15 are again divided by to the 3. To get the answer is the 5. That means the prime factor of the 45 is a 3 into 3 into 5. At the final, the 48. 48 are divided by to the 2. We get the answer is the 24. That 24 are again divided by to the 2. We get the answer is the 12. That 12 are again divided by to the 2. We get the answer is the 6. And that 6 are again divided by to the 2. We get the answer is the 3. The prime factor is the 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is the 48. So, which one is the common? And to underline it, 3, 3 and 3. All the prime factor are shown. 3 is the common in 1. So, the common factor is 3. Therefore, the HCF of 42, 45, 48 is 3. The HCF of 42, 45, 48 is a 3. We get the one more example. The last example is there. The last example, 10th number example. 777. 315 and the 588. We can find out the HCF of that three numbers. So the first is the 777. We get the prime factor of 777. So that 777 are get completely divided by 777 are get divided by to the 3. When we have divided the 777 by to the 3, we get the answer is the 2 3s are 6. It's a 259. Then that 259 are get divided by to the 7. 7 3s are 24. 4 and 7 7s are 49. 37 is a prime number and never they are get split up again. So the prime factor is the 777 is a 3 into 7 into 37. Next is a 315. 315 are get divided by to the 3. We get the answer is the 3 ones are 3, 0, 3 5s are 15. Is a 105. That 105 are again divided by to the 3. And when we have divided the 105 by to the 3, we get the answer is the 35. And that 35 are again divided by to the 5. We get the answer is the 7. So the answer is the 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. And the last one is the 588. That 588 are again divided by to the 2. When we have divided the 588 by to the 2, we get the answer is the 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 294. 2 into that 294 are again divided by to the 2. We get the answer is the 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 147. That 147 are again divided by to the 3. 3 4s are 12, 2, 27, 3 9s are 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. The prime factor of 588 is a 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. Then underline it. Which one is the common in 1? 3, 3, that 3 and that 3. 7, 7 and the 7. Then the answer is therefore 3 and 7 are the common factor. 3 and 7 are the common factor. Therefore, the HCF of 777, 350 and 588 is 3 into 7 is the 21. 3 into 7 is the 21. So in this way, if the common factor is more than 1, that means the common factor is the 2. We get the product of that two numbers is the 3 into 7. 7 3s are 21, and therefore the HCF of 777, 350 and 588 is the 21. Now we get the one more method for to find out the HCF, and that method is the division method. In a previous question or previous example, we can be studied about to find out the HCF by the multiplication method. That means we can be find out the prime factor, and then the common prime factor is the HCF of the given two composite number. In here we can be find out the HCF of the given two composite number by the division method. How we can be find out then? We get by getting the examples, and in that example is the 275 and the 525. We can be find out the HCF of that two numbers by to the division method. So division method, that means we can be follow the division process, and in that division process we can be divide the greater number 525 by to the smaller number is the 275. In the division process, we are write down the answer at the head of that horizontal line, but we can also get the one more mark, and we have write down the answer in here. So the 525 are divided by the 275. In a row of the 275, we get the number 525 or the less than 525. When we have divided the 275 by to the 2, we get the number is a less than 525. So which number is the number is then 450. The number is a 450. We can subtract the 450 into the 525. We get the answer is the 5 is the 75. And we have write down that 275 in here. We have write down that 275 in here, and we have write down the 75 in here. Now we have divided the 275 by to the 75. That means in a row of the 75, the 275 are come, or the less than number is a 275. When we have multiplied the 75 by to the 3, we get the answer is the 225. And when we have divided the 225 by to the 50, we get the answer is 50. We have write down the 75 in here. We have again divided that 75 by to the 50. So the 50 ones are 50. We get the answer is the 25, and we have write down the 50 in here, and 25 twos are 50. At the last is a remainder 0. Which number? By to which number the remainder 0 are come is the 25. When we have divided last 25, then we have get the remainder is the 0, and that is why HCF is the 25. So therefore the HCF of 275 and 525 is a 25. The HCF of 275 and 525 is a 25. That means the 25 are get divided the both two numbers, and we have get the equal number sign, and that is why the answer is the 25. So the HCF is the 25. In this way, we have find out the HCF by using the division method. We get the one more example. In that one more examples, we get 161 and the 69. The 161 is the greater number, 69 is the smaller number. So we have divided the 161 by to the 69 by to the 2. We get the answer is the 138. When we have subtract the 138 in a 161, we get the answer is the 23. The 69. The 69 are come in a row of the 23. 23 3s are 69, and the remainder is the 0. So therefore the HCF of 69 and 161 is a 23. In this way, we have find out the HCF of the given two composite number by using the division method.